Yeah, they might be testing in about a few seconds. They're testing now. There's one.
This station is testing the Connecticut Emergency Alert System. Equipment that can quickly warn you.
Yeah, they're testing right now.
If there had been an Amber Alert or other emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test. Is being tested. If this had been an Amber Alert or other emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test.
There's 99.9.
Test alert. Test alert.
It's on the TV.
This station is testing the Connecticut Emergency Alert System. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an Amber Alert or other emergency,
She would tell you.
concludes this test.
WICC is finally relaying.
This station is testing the Connecticut Emergency Alert System. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an Amber Alert or other emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test.
Oh, HD2's relaying.
Follow the alert tone. This concludes this test.
That was one of. Alright, this camera's not really doing this radio justice, but I just caught an HD2 relay off of 107.9 WEBE.
Test alert. Test alert.
You're not slick, Spark. I heard you. .710's relaying.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. The equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
.1010's relaying. There's two.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
WCBS is testing. WCBS is testing. There's two.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
There's two. Oh, you Tennessee mocking sons of motherfuckers.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.